90s was what happened? Can I ask y'all? What I want to know y'all honest opinion on about this, but what happened? The 90s, early 2000s, what a time to be a group, right? Female bands, boy bands, Jodeci, Backstreet Boys, and Sync, Escape, SWV, Brownstone, like groups. Jagged Edge, let's talk. Silk, come on. Troop, let's go. Groups, right? What happened? Because you don't find those like that anymore. What? Drew Hill, what happened? What happened to the groups? How did we lose our way? If y'all, I just want to know y'all's opinion on that. But this is SWV. Did a reaction to SWV anything? That was more of an upbeat song. I'm hoping, I hope this is more of a slower tempo. It's Rain. SWV Rain. Come on, like you can't have no Rain. Nothing about Rain says up tempo. You know what I mean? So, with no further ado, before we get into the video, make sure y'all like the video. But SWV Rain, let's get into it. Is that Tyrese? Bro, if it's about to rain, go in the house. Yeah, they know what's up. This gotta be about pain.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul.
Hey, why the caption on? I know what she's saying.
It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me, let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me, just rain down on me.
Okay, so this sounds like one of those songs that was real popular with the ladies, right? You know, you could kind of tell when the song's kind of like for everybody. Then you have the song that's kind of for the fellas, and then this sounds like it's a song for the ladies. This is like this type of vibe, you know, and I guess girls have, I don't know what vibe that is, but it's a smooth, it's a chill, it's a calm vibe. You know what I mean? You just relax. You're chilling, you're relaxing, you're not doing too much. It's not one of those songs where you clean up the house too and enjoy, you know what I'm saying, dance around the house and all that type of stuff. Nah, you chilling, you vibing, you kicking back. You know what I mean? Gossiping, having that type of vibe. That type of vibe. Y'all know what I'm saying.
Let your love just shower on me, just rain on me. Full as a dam at capacity, my passion's about to explode.
Yeah, she has a smooth voice.
I can't escape it surrounding me. I'm caught in a storm that I don't need no shelter from. Rain down on me.
It's crazy because Tyrese can sing, but y'all got this man singing in the rain, dancing in the rain with the umbrella. This would be whoa. Tyrese can sing. SWV Rain remix featuring Tyrese. Come on. It's not too late. It's not like you know how some people get older and they kind of lose their voice. Now I don't know if SWV if they can still sing or not. I think it's like the dynamic where you have like the main lead singer, and then you got the other two who kind of do background vocals. Maybe she could sing like it's a gap between their singing abilities, or they could kind of like carry a note. You know what I mean? That type of dynamic. But Tyrese can sing. SWV Tyrese Rain remix. What are we waiting for? Like, come on. See how y'all disrespectful.
I don't need no shelter from rain down on me. Let your love just fall. Let your love fall like rain on me. Every little drip drop rain
Wow, she has a smooth voice.
on me. Let your love just shower me. Just rain on fall down on me.
Mmm.
Let it fall down on me. Just rain down on me. Chill me with your loving touch. Rain on me. I wanna feel your love is real, so just rain down on me.
Oh yeah. Wait. This might have been for the everybody. This might have been for the fellas. I might have misspoke earlier. This might be for everybody, man. It's just at first when I heard it, I was like, it's gonna be for the ladies. You know what I mean? It's a song that fellas we acknowledge, we enjoy. It's a nice song, but this song was meant the women. This is for them. But it might be for everybody because I'm sitting here, I'm enjoying this. I could really, for me, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Like this is it spring? It's not spring, but it's like fall weather type vibes. You know what I'm saying? Fall. I'm on a nice drive in the fall. The trees, the leaves on the trees, they don't change colors. I thought SWV rain. I thought SWV rain for the drive. Yeah, I can picture it right now. This might be for everybody. I might have misspoke.
Chill me with your loving touch. Rain on me. I wanna feel your love is real, so just rain down
What?
on me.
I'm just. Do I even drive my right now? Yeah, I drive my left. Yeah, I'm just. I'm picturing it.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain.
Yeah, I like her voice. Her voice is very, very smooth. I like. What's her name again? Y'all remind me of her name, please. The lead singer as. Why did I even ask y'all when I got the power of the internet at my hands? SWV group. Whoa. Rain down on me. Let your love take over me. This rain on me. Oh, rain down on me. Bro, where's the group member names at? All right, I'm getting frustrated. Okay, look, y'all tell me, please. SWV, like, who's the lead singer? What's her name? I like her voice. It's very smooth. But remix SWV Rain Tyrese SWV. Think about it. Y'all get back to me. But that's all I got for the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. That's all I got for y'all. I'm out.